Hey, good morning, Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. I got Mark corralled up here in the fab shop, body shop, trying to make a door fit on a Bronco. And you can see that we have done a lot of work on this, trying to fix rust. And our latest thing is trying to get this door to fit across the top and against the windshield. And we have you can see this rubber seal in the middle. We have a gap, and we want to cover that up so it doesn't look so ugly. So Mark has started by making a transition piece here, and you can see on the end of it how he has put a slight depression or recess so it'll fit inside the door. It's pretty hard to see, but you can kind of see it's angled down, and he did that with his hole punch. So this tool right here will do a hole punch right through there, but it'll also, on this side, it'll do a recess. You can see how it's stepped, and he did a step on that. And then he's going to fit it to the inside of the door. I can get this around here where you can see it. I'm going to walk around this side maybe. We want to get it on the door, but you can see there's a little lip right here. So he recessed it so it would fit flush in there. There you go. And so you can see how it fits on there. And then we're going to bend it on around to where it adds that much distance to this edge and weld all that in so that it will cover up that seal and look really nice. So I'll do another video when he gets a little further along. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. You want to see more of this stuff, go to wilsonauto.com.